In a previous video, we discussed about Joule's law. Joule's law we can derive in a three form, that is H is equal to I square RT, H is equal to VIT, H is equal to V squared T divided by R. In three formula, we can produce heat. We can calculate heat produced by electrical current. When the electrical current which is passes through resistor, it will causes for the heat production, and this term is known as the heating effect of electrical current. The number of equipment such like electrical cooker, electrical heater, electrical bulb, all these are makes use of heating effect of electrical current. So the nichrome wire, high resistance electrical conductor will use here as a electrical conductor. This electrical conductor is very high resistivity, but they can carry the electrical current through it. Edison performed number of experiments, about 1000 experiments, to decide which filament is used in a glass globe. First of all, he used another metal in a glass globe, and when he used tungsten, these filament does not get fused. Why this filament does not get fused? Because these tungsten have a high melting point. The melting point of tungsten about 3400 degrees Celsius. But when the symbol of tungsten is W, capital W, and when this tungsten will occur in the nature in the pure form, it will shows the melting point about 3420 degrees Celsius. It is depend upon how many impurities are present in that element. It will decide the melting point of particular element. Now the unit which is used for electrical power, the smallest unit which is used for electrical power, that is watt. But it is very small unit. We use 1000 watt or 1 kilowatt in daily use. When 1 kilowatt of electrical power will be used for 1 hour, then it is known as 1 kilowatt per hour equal to 1 kilowatt into 1 hour. And 1 kilowatt means 1000 watt, and 1 hour means 3600 seconds. When we multiply this, we get 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 watt second. When 1 watt of electrical current will be used for 1 second, it is equal to 1 joule. Then we can write here 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule. This expression will always ask in a board examination for 2 marks. The next, we will discuss about short circuit. Short circuit. Several times we hear about the building catches fire. What is the reason of this? You know that when the electrical supply will be supplied by MSCB from electrical pole in our houses, in a building, there are 3 type of wires: live wire, neutral wire, and earth wire. This live wire and neutral wire is a potential difference of to 20 volt in India. There is always question, fill in the blanks in board examination. What is the potential difference of live wire in India? So, what is the causes of short circuit? When the insulator, you know that this live wire, neutral wire, earth wire get insulated with the plastic, and when the large huge amount, when some reason, when this is covering of this wire get damaged, and the current will be, the live wire and neutral wire get touched to each other, and the more current will be passing through this wire, it will causes the huge amount of heat will be produced. And when highly inflammable substances are get contact with this, it will be causes for the fire. But precautionary measure will be taken to prevent from this accident, because fuse will be used. Fuse is a precautionary measure in an electrical circuit. What happens? When the electrical current will be supplied through the electrical port to the meter, before that it will passes through the fuse wire, and always fuse wire will be connected in a series. Fuse wire will be made from tin and lead. It is a alloy. These tin and lead have very high resistance, but they have very low melting point. When due to the any reason, when the more electrical current will be passes through this electrical circuit, this fuse wire will get melt, and the total electrical circuit will be break down, and the valuable equipment which are fitted in our houses get saved. So always we use, there are different type of fuse we'll use in a electrical fitting which is used in a houses, that is 1 ampere, 2 ampere, 5 ampere, 10 ampere. Different type of fuse are used. Now we are going to learn about overloading. Many times in a summer season, the huge electrical power will use for home lightings, shop and air conditioners. These more electric power will be drawn from the transformers. But supply of electricity from the distribution department. Due to this reason, the fuse of this transformer melts, and this event is called as overloading. Now we discuss about MCBs. These days, miniature circuit breaker MCB switches are used in homes. When the current in a circuit suddenly increases, these switch open and current stops. Different type of MCB are in use for the entire house. However, the usual fuse wires are used. Now we solve some problems based on heating effect of electrical current. A cell is connected to a 9 ohm resistance. Because of it, heat of 400 joule is produced per second due to the current flowing through it. Obtain the potential difference applied across the resistor. First of all, we write the given data in this problem. The given data is the resistance is 9 ohm, the heat produced, that is 400 joule, the time for which the electrical current is flowing through the circuit, that is 1 second. You have to calculate the potential difference. This problem is based on Joule's law. What is Joule's law? There are three formulas of Joule's law. H is equal to I square RT, H is equal to VIT, H is equal to V square T divided by R. To solve this problem, we use this formula. H is equal to V square T divided by R. First of all, we make the formula. You have to calculate here potential difference. H into R is equal to V square into T. Then by dividing both sides T, this T gets cancelled. Then we will get the formula V square is equal to H into R divided by T. By putting this value in this formula, V square is equal to heat is 400 joule, resistance is 9 ohm, time is 1 second. By multiplying 400 into 9 ohm, we get V square is equal to 3600 by 1 second. It is equal to 3600. The square root of 3600 is 60. Means potential difference between these two ends, that is V is equal to 60 volt. The answer is 60 volt. The potential difference between two ends will be 60 volt. We solve the another problem based on heating effect of electrical current. An electrical bulb is connected to the 250 volt. The current passing through it is 0.27 ampere per 10 seconds. Then calculate the heat produced in the electrical bulb. First of all, we write the given data of a given problem. Here, the potential difference is given 250 volt. The current I is given 0.27 ampere and the time is given 10 seconds. Always remember one thing here, the physical quantity you should always in a one system. The given physical quantity value is in a MK system. So there is no need to change this value of physical quantities. This problem is also based on the heating effect of electrical current, that is Joule's law. So we write the all formula of Joule's law, that is H is equal to VIT, H is equal to I square RT, H is equal to V square T divided by R. We already solved two examples based on H is equal to I square RT. The another example we solve H is equal to V square T divided by R. This problem is based on this first formula. Here we use this first formula, that is H is equal to VIT. So write the formula H is equal to VIT. Simply put this value of volt, current and time. The volt potential difference is 250 volt. The current is 0.27 ampere and time is 10 seconds. By multiplying all these quantity, we get the value of 675 joule. The heat produced in the electrical bulb will be H is equal to 675 joule. So